Ninang. May iwan ang tindero. Deserve. Saan ikakasal si Super A. Si Bell Wedding. Dito lang sa bahay lang. Yan, pasok na kami doon. Wala pa yung bride. Tsaka groom. The bride! Oh, ganda naman. Tantan. Oh, ang flower girl. Oh, wow, may bouquet. Ako tatanggap ko. Hanggang tayong dalawa.
Very significant, very memorable event in this couple series. Dearly beloved, we have come together in the presence of God to witness and bless the joining of Charlene and Edward to be united in the loving union of marriage. All of you shall stand as witnesses chosen by the couple. Free will to bind yourself forever in the love of your husband. Edward, her eyes. Did you come here of your free will to bind yourself forever in the love of your wife?
Yes,
Yeah.
Since you wish to contract marriage, please join your right hands and express your intentions here before God and all witnesses here present. Join your right hands and look into each other's eyes. Ang sasagot niyo lamang ay yes, I do. At kung magbabago pa ang isip niyo, may pagkakataon pa kayo. Uulitin to. Tuloy na talaga, sir?
tuloy na.
Edward, do you take Charlene here present for your lawful wife?
Yes.
Do you give yourself to her as his husband?
Yes.
Do you accept her as your wife?
Yes.
The array. Sorry.
After how many years?
My loyalty. Tignan mo po siya.
Dito naman natin.
And everlasting love. And I accept it. And I accept it. Bless, O Lord, these rings, all that your servant, bride and groom, who will wear them, may ever live in mutual love and unbroken loyalty. We ask you through Christ, our Lord.
Marunong ba ako mag-shoot?
Say her name, Charlene.
Charlene,
Wear this ring
wear this ring
as a sign of my loyalty
as a sign of my loyalty
and everlasting love.
in your everlasting love. And
Wear this ring as a sign of my loyalty and everlasting love.
Habang ako ay nabubuhay at nangangako ako sa harap ng ating mga kaibigan at pamilya, sa harap ng Diyos na magiging tapat at mapagmahal na asawa ko sa iyo habang buhay.
Don't cry. Go, Daddy.
ngayon pinatunayan ko sa iyo at saka sa mga witness, mga pamilya ko na kinasal na tayo at sama tayo habang buhay at sa hirap at ginawa.
Grant us, O Lord,
Grant us our Lord.
to be one heart and soul from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love, and to cherish. And I promise, be faithful. As Christ loved His church, Father, keep this man and woman true to your commandments. The mission of this marriage, you may not be so. Listen, let's follow the 10 seconds mandatories.
Wow! 10 seconds pa din. Ang bilis eh, parang smack lang yun eh.
You may now kiss your wife. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 10! Congratulations! Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Evidro. Firma na.
Tapos na. Uwian na. Kainan na. Ayan, thank you.
Panito ka sa pila.
Ayan. Iwalay ang puti at nicolor. Ayan. Oh, picture. Ay, ganda yan. Wait, lapit. 1, 2, 3. Diba? Nagsama ka na. Silip ka lang din. Yan, ganda. Okay na. Sarap mo na yung bulak. Congratulations.
Kaya
Aba.
Gang! Sabi sa'yo, nasa vlog na yan.
Aha. Wow. Back to reality na. Ang negosyante, ang ninang. Grabe, ang dami ko nakain. Na-bloated ang tiyan ni madam. Bloated. Oh, diba? Aha. Ganda yan. Ayan. Sino ka, girl? Laki ng tiyan ko kasi ang dami ko nakain. Tapos, syempre, wine. Ayan tuloy, na-bloated na. Diba? Yan. Ang hirap ihinga talagang na-bloated talaga. But no worry, dahil mamaya, inom na lang tayo nitong Lux Slim Matcha Latte. Ito ipapaalis ng bloatedness, constipatedness, ganun. Para sa bloated at constipated, mag-matcha latte. Mamaya, busog na busog kasi ako. Dami ko nakain biko, minuto, ista. Diba? Kita-ibidin siya. Nawala ang siksik. Diba? Mamaya, mamatcha latte. Tinda-tinda muna kasi ang Indoy ayaw ko pagpahingain. Gala daw ako ng gala. Magtinda na daw ako. Kala mo naman. Nag-close naman siya ng 2. Kaya tiis ganda tayo dito. Okay lang. At least, maganda. Ay, maganda si Modong. Parang gusto ko itong look ko na to. Parang pag ano. Headband, tapos parang, ay, sino ka girl? Pa-turtleneck. Ay,